Hello guys, hey guys, Igor here, and in today's video we will be installing the head filter for a shower that removes the hard water, also some extra chlorine, some debris and oxidants from the water. The purpose of it because recently me and my wife got some itchiness after using our shower, also some eczemas, some discomfort and skin dryness. So we did some search on Amazon and we found that product. Just price is $26 including delivery for us. So we got from Amazon. The link will be in description below the video. So this box this size. The name is Cobbe, C-O-B-B-E, and let's see what's inside of it. So opening, we can see it's coming with quick description, with the installation instructions, with direction for use. So it says it's good to use 3 to 4 months or 12,000 gallons of water, whatever comes first. Comes with typhoon tape, which is super handy. Also on Amazon it's rated as best-selling. So and this is the filter itself, with the O-ring and screen inside. On another side, no. So let's begin it. Okay, this is the type of shower we have. So we were thinking and we decided, so this will be the best spot to install it in our case. So it will be extended like this. So because this one is like where it's actually water coming out from the water supply line and then goes all places around. So you might need to use this tool or just the pliers, but just in case if you cannot remove some parts, you should be extra carefully so not damage it, because it's very fragile, guys. It's plastic, very fragile. You maybe need to move it a little bit at the beginning, and then you can follow up with your hands. So it depends how seized is that. So yeah, the next step we will be taking all of this apart, not everything, just enough to get to there. So start from this one, screw counterclockwise like this, inspect the seal, good time. We got to make sure this part is not broken, it's very fragile, seal is in place and nothing chopped inside. Very good time to do. Again, if you cannot remove this part, you can always use pliers and some piece of cloth, so no damage, or just give it a small push. Then you can follow up doing it by hand. Okay. So this time it's also good to inspect the seal and screen, make sure nothing drops, no visual like debris in there, because it's water actually coming out. So they supplied typhoon tape, which is super handy. So we're going to install it on this part of those threads, because old one fell off during installation. No need to put too much, just enough to seal it properly. Okay, following the instructions says we need to rinse the cartridge. So we should remember which way does it go. So this side up, this side up. Okay. Okay, the instruction says it should last 30 seconds approximately, so also for cartridge and the filter core itself, it's to remove extra dirt. Okay, so remember this side was up, so here we go, hand tight. Okay, then we will install it on the shower head itself. So this side, which is bigger, with the rubber inside and screen, it goes over there, fits perfectly. Trying to line up, goes easy. Just remember, don't go too tight, just make it hand tight until it meets resistance. In our case it's met resistance. Enough. Okay, the next step, we apply Typhoon tape on this side, on the second side of the filter, so we can install the shower head or whatever it is. Here we go. So it's all the way it went. Now we are pointing it out where we need it. Let's say this way. Then we reinstalling our hose. Okay, it didn't have Typhoon before, so rubber is in place. We reinstalling the back in case it begins to leak. Then we can install the Typhoon tape. Shouldn't. As you can see, guys, we installed right here our filter. We put everything back in the reverse order. And now the moment of the truth. We will check for leaks. So let's see. We put on maximum, activate shower, put on maximum pressure. Very important, those parts. As you can see, we got no leaks. Here no leaks. Here no leaks. Good to go. Okay, guys, that's all for now. As you can see, it is easy step-by-step installation process, and pretty straightforward. You don't need a lot of tools and supplies. Everyone can do it at home on his own. And if you found this video helpful, please hit like button, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching, and see you in next videos. Bye.